Still waiting hours for your renders to finish? What if Blender could optimize itself in seconds? Most people don't know the perfect combination of samples, light bounces, denoisers, etc. And honestly, you shouldn't have to. Meet RenderOptimizer Pro, a Blender add-on that analyzes your scene and automatically finds the best render settings for your hardware and project. One click scans your entire scene: geometry, lights, textures, materials, particles, memory usage, and more. Then calculates how demanding your render really is. Then with a single click, RenderOptimizer Pro automatically configures samples, light paths, denoising, GPU acceleration, tile sizes, and performance settings. No guesswork needed. The result? Dramatically faster renders with no virtual quality loss. In many scenes, users can reduce render times by up to 30 to 70%. Need more control? You can compare quality presets, estimate animation render times, save custom presets, backup settings instantly, or queue multiple render jobs and let Blender work while you sleep. Now here is a render time comparison with the plugin of both Eevee and Cycles.